The last section of your test is matching. Match each item with a correct statement. Here are the words. A. Quakers. B. Pacifist. C. Patroon. D. Peter Stuyvesant. E. Proprietor. Number 1. This person surrendered to the English without a fight in 1664. Number 2. These people founded the colony of Pennsylvania. Number 3. This is the name given to a landowner in New Netherland. 4. This is a word that describes someone who refuses to fight wars. Number 5. This is the sole owner and ruler of a colony. If we were using this word today, we would be talking about the owner of a business.